Well, here it is, the Google Pixel Watch. It just arrived today. It is the black, the obsidian band, and it says right here with Fitbit, with AVEC Fitbit. So this is going to be basically a Fitbit smartwatch, well, with Wear OS. So if you're a Fitbit user and used to the ecosystem, this will actually be pretty nice, I think. Overall, I think you're going to enjoy it because you're going to have the Fitbit experience that you're used to, and now also you have the Android experience that you want that you weren't getting with the Fitbit, because the Fitbit actually had their own operating system on those devices, whether you're coming from the Sense or the a couple of other bands that they offer. So this is definitely going to be something that's going to be more of the true smartwatch. So let's get into it and open this thing up and see what we got here. Pull those tabs. Not as satisfying as pulling off those coverings of the smartphones, but hey, it'll do. And here we go. So that is the black. It is actually looking kind of on the smaller side, like most people are saying out there. 41 millimeter, little on the smaller side, but here's a Fitbit Sense. So when you look at this, they're very similar in size. So if you're coming from a Sense, Fitbit Sense watch, you're probably not going to really notice much of a difference. But if you're coming from a Samsung smartwatch or Apple Watch, the bigger ones, you're going to notice a difference. That's without a doubt. So let's see what we got in the box here. We got the actual, of course, the watch. And there's that band. It's a very nice black band. Pretty smooth, too. I do like that feel. And then, of course, we just have the usual books, which we're probably not going to be reading. Most of us are not. And shouldn't there be, oh, I guess the cable, yeah, there it is. We have the charging cable in the underneath the watch here, so that is your typical. Let me take this watch off here first, see what it looks like. The crown is pretty nice, good feel, nice movement, pretty smooth. And there's the, I guess it's going to be the on and off when you hold this down, from what I understand. Actually, it feels pretty nice. And there's your sensors in the back. Looks like you have, of course, the heart rate and the sleep sensing. They have the pulse, the SpO2 sensor, which apparently is not activated as of yet. I don't know why, but I guess that'll be coming with one of the updates real soon. Something it's almost similar to what a Fitbit would do, what Fitbit has done with their devices. They're released without having all of the features available yet, which is kind of silly, but who are we to say? So eventually it'll come, but what are we supposed to do in the meantime? I guess we're supposed to just use it as is, right? And hopefully you'll enjoy it as is until that update comes. And there's your charger. Looks like it's just one of those magnetic types that you put on the back. And looks like USB-C here. So interesting. And then here's an additional band. I guess they have a smaller size band if you want to change it out from the one they have on there that it comes with for adjusting for different size wrists. But other than that, that's pretty much all that's in the box. So it's a very simple packaging. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get this thing going here real soon. I'm going to set it up, and then I'll come back with another video here real soon. So stay tuned, and I'll show you some of the features of this Pixel smartwatch, the first one from Google. And hopefully it's going to be the first of many to come, and we'll see many improvements. The first watch we know is going to have some shortcomings, but that's the territory that you go with these new devices. It's their first smartwatch. So we'll see what we have, and we'll be back soon. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for an additional videos coming up. Have a good one.